Evening everyone, this is day 29. Today is going to look at our table base for our component which we're going to assemble all together. So this one is again 3-part view, top, front and side, which all reference one another. So let's have a look at this one then. So this one, which I'll let AutoCAD start from this top view and bring it into my front view and then into my side. So let's change the units to inches. Put 2 decimal places into my construction layer and X line 0, 0, 1 and 2. Now I'm going to offset the first one, which is 3.5. And I'm going to come 2.88 to the right. And then that's the area I'm drawing this whole view in. So 1.44 for my centre line, which is that line there. I need half and then 2.5. 0.5 up and then 2.5 from the same point, and then that'll be giving my inch. I need 1 inch coming down, which is giving me I'm going to need an inch either side, which is going to be half. 5 each side to do the split function. Up the top 0.94 for either side. That should give me the same points. That's those points there. Checking. That's one 0.31. That's going to be from my centre as well. I'm going to do this last little bit last, so I'm just going to trail around what I've got. So I'm going to start with this point here. Just make sure I'm in my drawing layer. So come out up to 2.5. I think it's into 0.94, which is so 1 by 1, and it's coming down 1. Don't think that's 1, but like so. I don't think that's 1 between. Let's change the standard. I think that's like 7.5 or something. Yeah. That line actually needs to be there. And that line needs to be there. Like so, so obviously this has got like a 0.94. So that should be 0.94. Yeah, which it is. So it's 1 inch, isn't it? So let's go to those. I think it's a 40 mil. 90. 47. It's 50 degree. sure where that went to, but so I think it's 50 odd degree, 55. Like so. Easy way to tweak it. Just mirror that one around that one. Like so. And then we've got our last little bit, which is 0.3. The radius, 0.31. Trim out that section, and we don't need. Now we've got a 106 by 1.44, so got 1.44, 1.06. That's 0.26 diameter. 26 in there. So the rest of it you see has got a little kind of chamfered edge. Chamfered edge is 0.06, so I'll say again. And that's just bringing all these lines up. It doesn't actually cover the radius or the slot, so like so. Come in and just trim. Like so. Like so, and if you can, if you want, just put the areas where it meets, or you can leave it like a bit of an open chamfer. It's entirely up to you. So that's that section there. Now I'm going to do the front view, so I'm just going to offset maybe ½ an inch. And it is so I'm going to put in that 1 inch one there, just get rid of that line there, like so. So it's going to be a runner on the top. Obviously, because all these lines are here, they all map free, which is really helpful. So we're looking at it front ways, so we're going to see that view running through. And if you had a hidden detail on, you'd see the circle and everything else as well, but we don't really need that bit. And we're going to put a 0.6 chamfer in. You can, if you want, actually run the front view from one to the other, and just trim out the bit that you won't see, which is that part there. That's that bit, and the last one is if you want to put the other view in for the holes, but for the assembly we only actually need that view there. So that's just a side view to see the whole detail, which we don't really need for the assembly. You can go and create it if you want. So we go, that's the drawing for day 29.